Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a split drawing of Naruto and Sasuke. So you're going to need a ruler for this one to divide your page in half. On a landscape orientation page, use a pencil and an eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So find your middle. So you could do as thick a line as you want, as thin a line as you want. So I think that'll do for what I need. And we're going to start with Sasuke on the right hand side. We'll start with his eye. So let's go. Top eyelid. So center point. We're about the middle, along the center line for the eyes. So we're going to curve up, down, like so. And then we'll bring it back to there. And we can thicken up his top eyelid a little bit. Like so, and then bring it over the bottom. About there. And that's about it. Alright, and he's got the Renegan, so Renegan going on, so we got like circle in the center, pupil in the middle, like that, another circle coming around it. Like so, and then some more. So like, they're not going to be complete circles out here, they're going to be just curved lines like this. And then we have those commas on his eyes. So 3 in the center. So like 1, 2, 3, and then 3 on this outside one. So 1, 2, 3, real small. And then we got his eyelid line. So we go up and down for his eyelid. And there's eyebrow. So it kind of just ticks. So we got like frown line and then ticks up this way. Like so. And you just sort of thicken up the end here. Just make the end thicker than the top. He's got some frown lines just in here. And then another one sort of coming this way. Like so. Right, so his nostril down here. And the two of them have an open mouth, right? So it's big mouth, wide open. So it's like starts here close to the nose, comes down, like so. Open like that. Then we can see teeth inside. Going across there, teeth coming down, like that. And then his bottom lip line, just there. And then his chin, going up here, half chin. So you can check proportions now, eyes to nose. So because his mouth is open, we're sort of a bit different. So I would say eyes to nose is about the same as nose to bottom lip, just there. Okay, because his mouth is open, usually the nose would be halfway between the eyes and the chin, but maybe eyebrow. Yeah, so roughly nose to eyebrow is about the same as eyebrow to chin, nearly. Okay, and like nostril to the middle of his mouth here is about the same as the middle of his mouth to his chin. Okay, so they're your rough proportions. It's kind of thrown out because his mouth is open, but Generally, that's what you're going for. So then his jaw then comes up the side. So, and we can see hair, lots of hair. So like, one big spike here, and then can we see some of his earlobe? We can, just in there. And then this comes back up, like so. And I think we should be able to see like a bit of sideburn there. Not much though. And then more hair, so spiking up this way. Of course, if you go over any eye parts or anything, you can just erase those. And then hair spike comes down that way, goes back up like so, and then back in towards the half line. Right, so then just behind this ear spike, we can see some of his ear sticking out the top. And down here. Ear lines just in there. And then the rest of his hair, so sticking out this way. Spiking all the way. So his hair goes right up to the top of my page, so it's like the whole length of his head. So I'd say the whole length of his, say, eyebrows to chin, up. Again, eyebrows to top of his head, like right up here, okay? And another one sticking that way. And then back into here. And we're nearly in the middle, so then this one sticks up this way. And then out to there. Right, and then we got a couple more hair spikes just sticking down here, one there, and then his neck. So his neck comes down like so to there, and hair spikes behind his neck, like that. And then his collar. So he's got a big collar coming in around his neck, just here, and then this comes down across his chest like so. Sticks out here, and then another line goes down to there, and then another collar line like so. And his collarbone, just there, and then his shoulder will come out and off this way, like so, and just go down somewhere out here. You could have some faux lines and stuff for his shoulder there, and maybe like a line in his neck, like muscles and stuff like that, but like so. Right, so that's Sasuke. So we do Naruto. So Naruto's eye just over this side, same sort of thing. You can pretty much fit an eye in between, right? That's where the next eye starts, same level. We'll measure the width of his eye, comes over, and we do the same sort of level down this way. Naruto's eye is kind of bigger than Sasuke's eye. It's kind of rounder, more open. So is his mouth. His mouth is bigger. Of course it is. He talks too much. And then back of his eyelid comes down this way. You can kind of thicken this up a little bit like Sasuke's. Like so. And then bottom comes across to there. And then his iris. So circle. If you have a compass or something that could help you, draw a circle, feel free, or a coin, or something small, circular that you can draw around. Like that, and his pupil just in the middle. So then his eye has lines around it like so, and his eyebrow. So his eyebrow kind of goes up underneath his headband, which comes across his head, just there. And then we have some lines there, and another wrinkle sort of line for his nose, just there. So his nostril in line with Sasuke's, there like that, and then his mouth, real big open mouth, comes across from here. And it kind of goes, it's bigger than Sasuke's, see, it kind of goes wider. And then we go down the side, back in around, join the bottom. And then we can see some teeth. So Naruto has like pointier teeth, like sharper teeth like that. And then we can see some more of his back teeth kind of here. Comes across like so. And down around into there. And so then his chin comes up like so. And again, proportions are pretty much the same. So I'd say eyebrows to nose is about the same as nose to nearly his chin there. See that? Top of the eyebrow. Yeah, we can't see the top of Naruto's eyebrow, so where it is under the headband. So the top of the eyebrow to the nostril, about the same as nostril to chin level, nearly. Yeah, roughly. So that's like nose is halfway between top eyebrow and the chin. Okay? And the mouth line is halfway between nose and chin. So here to here, same as here to here. That's roughly a proportion. And then we go up the side, like so. Up to there. Then we can see his ear. So his earlobe comes out around here and down. And he's got a sideburn just there. And his headband then is going to come across, join these all across to here. So it's going to go across like so to there. And then we have bones and ligaments inside, right? So out and down like that. Loads of different ways to do the inside of an ear. There is no one way. So easiest way is always a letter J anyway. Right, so side of his headband up to there. And then we've got like spiking, a line there, hair spikes, another one coming across his headband. Say here, comes down, across like so. Then the top of his headband will come across there. And then we can see the metal plate inside. Comes across. And the top. Wait, this is the metal plate. So we have the top of that there. And then where's the top of his headband then? His headband should be up higher. Yeah. So then that's the top of his headband. And then the metal plate here. And we got the spiral for the leaf village just here. We can only see half of it, so we can only see the beak portion. So if we want, we can double up the line. I think I can do it because we're so big. So you double up this line just to make it look like it's scratched in to the metal of the headband, you know. And then we do the rest of his hair. So spiking that way to there, up around this, all the way up to the top of his head. Just in line with Sasuke's. Right, and then we can see his neck. So we go down like so. And then behind his neck we can see some more hair, kind of like Sasuke's. Like that. And then his collar, so he's got that big collar that he has in Shippuden. So we got like, so it comes, it bumps like up around towards his ear. Like so. And then this comes down, bumps down like this. Like so, and the inside of it will come down from one of these. And then this has like some inside lines just there. And then another sort of line coming down that way. And this line. Like so. And then his collarbone, just across from Sasuke's, just inside there. And his shirt, t-shirt, comes across here. Like so. I think he's got like a zip, a thin section, real thin, just like here. Like so, with some thin zipper lines there. And then, so his shoulder then, so it'll come out down like so, maybe another full line just there, and then it'll go out roughly the same width as Sasuke's, so it's like, let's say it's there. Like so. Oh, and his sort of headband comes out from behind his ear. So you can go, there's lots of different ways of doing the headband sort of part, but you can just but that is it. That is how to draw Split, Naruto, and Sasuke. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.